Hello everyone. We are gonna start the 10th chapter of our higher maths book, that is the binomial expansion. So before we start our binomial expansion, first we need to know what is an binomial expansion, or what is a binomial expression basically. So binomial expression is basically an algebraic expression consisting of two terms. That is any expression that has two terms. So for example, this term can be a and b. So if the two terms can be a and b, x and y, it can be any number, that is 1. It can be also z, it can be anything, it can be any symbol. I guess it can be pi, I guess. Pi, x. So these are actually, there will be two terms in that algebraic expression, and there will be a sign in between them. That is, it can be a plus b, it can be a plus minus b, it can be x plus y and x minus y. It can be I guess it can be x into y. It can also be x into y, x by y. So basically this is these format are basically an binomial expression. So we have actually learned what is a binomial expression. So now we need to learn what is a binomial expansion. So we let us assume that this is a binomial expression. So we if we actually try to multiply this expression with itself, that is if I try to multiply a plus b with a plus b multiple times, so we will get an expression that looks like, or it can be written in short form like this: a to the power a plus b whole bracket to the power of n. That is, I have multiplied the expression a plus b with itself, that is with another a plus b n times. So we get the actual expression that looks like a plus b to the power of n. So it can be, this n can be equals to 0, it can be 1, it can be 2. Now for basically an expression is basically binomial expansion is basically so let us take a plus b whole square. So we have taken this binomial expression a plus b whole square, and we have actually expanded it. So if I expanded it, so it will look like this a plus b. The expansion will look like somewhat like this: a into a is a square, then b into a is plus ab. Similarly, b into a is also plus ab. Then b into b is equal to b square. So it can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we have actually expanded this binomial expression, that is a plus b whole square into a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the expanded form, and I think I'm not pronouncing the word expand quite right, but still you get the point. We have expanded this form, that is a plus b whole square, into a larger form, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the process of actually converting this type of binomial expression the process of converting this type of expansion, the process of converting the process of converting this type of a plus b whole square, x plus y to the power of 3, or x plus y to the power of 5, into its expanded form, that is a square plus 2ab, then x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy. I hope you get the point. Into its expanded form is called binomial expansion, or expansion. Sorry. I don't know why I actually keep in this form. Oh, sorry. Okay. Sorry. I used an animation and forgot what I actually used. So let's just try to find a pattern in binomial expansion. So let us take a plus b whole square. We get a square plus 2ab plus b square, as I showed you before. And we also take a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. We get a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. I guess you know these identities or these formulas from class 6, 7, I guess. It's been a long time. So I don't think you will you have no understanding problem in actually finding these values, that is this one and this one. So from these two binomial expansions, we can actually find some common characteristics of a binomial expansion. So for we actually take a plus b whole n. Here the n is equal to 2 is here, and n is equal to 3 here. So we can find can come to some following decisions. That are, the first one is total number of terms is n plus 1. So see here, this is 2, and this is in a plus b to the power of n. So n is equals to 2. And now if you actually look at the number of terms in the binomial expansion, you will see that there is 1 term, 2 term, and 3 term. So number of terms is 3. So you can write norm of terms equals to 3. Similarly, here we have n is equal to 3. So a plus b whole cube. And we get the expansion a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here, if we actually now count the number of terms, what we get is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get 4 terms. So therefore, we got 4 terms. Number of terms equals to 4. So similarly, if we take a plus b to the power of 4 or a plus b to the power of 5, we will see that after expanding them, we will get the number of terms equals to 5, and we will also get the number of terms equal to 6. So the common characteristics of any binomial expansion, that is a plus b to the whole power of n, the number of terms will be 1 more than the value of n, that is the number of terms will be n plus 1. So I guess you have understood what is the number of terms will be. So let me erase everything.